Hi there.
Hello, Anthea.
Nice.
We're meeting Alistair, who's been living with a newly installed heat pump at his home in Winchester.
It looks like an air conditioning unit, doesn't it? So how does it work?
So the outdoor temperature just now is probably 7 or 8 degrees, so it's quite
It's
cold.
cold out.
What it does is it pulls in that heat that is in that 8 degrees. The unit compresses it, and then that compression turns it into heat that's enough to kind of heat up the house. Up to about 4 degrees, our oil supplies our heat, but when it hits about 4 degrees, then this kicks in. I guess there are a few factors in deciding to have one of these. So long-term cost, the opportunity to kind of put something in that's using renewable energy is kind of motivating from that perspective.
Do you feel you have more control over your heating now?
Absolutely. I mean, if I want to be really geeky about it, I can kind of log in and see exactly how much energy I'm using, and can see how much we're saving as well. So not only the energy efficiency side of things, but also the money efficiency side of things, we can get a sense of that.
I suppose for most of us, this is a different way of thinking from energy companies, because Igloo is trying to save you energy. But this is a completely different process, isn't it now?
Being with Igloo for a little while, you can realise that's kind of their philosophy, and this came as an opportunity to make my house much more efficient.
Bottom line is, how much does it cost to put something like this in?
The initial cost is quite a lot, so it's probably £8,000. But the government has a kind of a green deal that they will pay back somewhere around £1,200 a year over 7 years as an incentive to put one of these things in.
We're obviously all aware of what's going on now in the political world, and we've made this big statement about being net zero by 2050. Do you feel that this is playing a part for you and your family?
I'm sure in the years to come there'll be other measures that I can take, but for now this is a relatively straightforward measure that I can take to kind of reduce my carbon footprint.